Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today we're going to have a quick look at what comes inside the Love from Lizi April 2024 kit, and it's called Spring Wishes. This is a beautiful kit, great for Easter cards I think, but just great for any kind of cards in general. So let's have a look at what we get first, and as always we get 5 sheets of cardstock. These are American size cards, American letter size cards, so they're a little bit longer and not as wide as an like a European A4 size. We get a lovely blue, a green, we get a white, which is alcohol marker friendly and it's great for stamping. We get a lovely pink and a yellow. So I think you'll agree we get some really pretty kind of Easter color cardstock this month. So really nice. So there we go, we have our 5 colors of cardstock there. Next I'm going to look at the peel-offs. These are new to Lizi's website. They're a violet color and they're pinstripe, and I just love these. These are great for embellishing a card, a scrapbook layout, envelopes, you name it. Brilliant. We also get these, they're 4 strips and they're like a peel off but they're decorated, so you know it's like putting them through a punch that you may have in your stash or using a die, and these are so cute. I love them, and I'm going to pop them up there because I think you will see them better on that violet color. I'm looking at the stamp set next, and isn't this gorgeous? It's the bunnies. So I mean, perfect for Easter, but if you know you just like to have animals on your cards or your layouts, these are perfect. We get some sentiments: somebody loves you, hopping by to say hi, spring wishes, and hello. And we have 3 lovely different size bunnies looking in different orientations, etc. Some lovely flowers, leaves, a lovely rose as well. And I'm looking forward to having a go at colouring these using my Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers. I'm going to try and do more colouring on my channel. We get this as well. It's a white glitter cardstock, and as you can see there's no shed on this. It's an A5 size piece of glitter cardstock, and it is perfect for adding a little bit of, you know, bling in the background. These are double-sided, and we get 6 sheets of pattern paper that have toppers on the other side. We have beautiful flowers and beautiful bunnies, and I'm going to go through these. So we get 4 topper sheets, so you can see you can cut these out, and I think you'll agree these are lovely. The colors in them are so soft, and I think they would make for great get well cards or birthday cards. We get then 2 sheets, and one of them has got these letters. It's got these rectangle shaped toppers as well as sentiments here across the bottom, and then this one has got some little square toppers and long strips as well. So very cool. And then we go on to the pattern paper itself, and we get 2 of each, so they're double-sided. So that's 1, and I'm just going to quickly flick through these and show you the other side. And I love the bunnies on these, the eggs, etc. So I really do think these are great for Easter cards. But if you're like me and you don't send out a lot, I probably send out 2 Easter cards in a year. This one actually is just plain white on the back, so this one will be plain white as well. And then this one isn't double-sided, it's just plain background. and then these two. I love these floral colors. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I do apologize if you can hear the rain beating off my window. It's hammering down outside. So they are our pattern papers and our topper sheets, etc., that we got in this month's kit. So I'm going to leave them all out there. I want you to be able to see a little bit of everything. Okay, next we get 3 5x7 white card blanks. Aren't these fabulous? And they come with the envelopes, so you'll be ready to go. You've got your cards, your envelopes, and all your makings for making lovely cards. So we get 3 of those, and these are a thick quality. I'd nearly say these are like they're very like watercolor card. They're so thick. They're definitely, I think they're thicker than 300 GSM. They have that feel. These we get 3 5¼ by 5¼ cards with matching envelope, and these feel like 280 300 GSM compared to the 5x7 cards. They feel much thicker quality. So maybe you could do some watercoloring on them. I'm not too sure. I'll have to have a look and see. Next, I'm going to dip into the embellishment bag that we get. So first of all, we get these. These were sneak peeked on Lizi's channel. They're these beautiful little white flowers. They have a pearl in the middle, and they have a beautiful shine to them, like an opalescent or sparkly shine. So they're beautiful. We get some ribbon. We get 5 different colors of ribbon, and each ribbon is 1 meter long. We get some gems, beautiful flower gems, as well as these little dot gems to embellish. We get some little pom-poms, and I think Lizi's idea for the pom-poms was for some of the little wooden embellishments that we get. And we get quite a few, and I'm going to quickly go through them with you. If I can get them out of the packaging. So you can see here we have a little rabbit, and I think Lizi's thing was you could pop a little bunny tail on the back of your little, on the bottom rabbit there. So we get a couple of rabbits, 1, 2, 3, and you can have them, you know, facing each other or facing away. We get a little gardening fork, little gardening spade, a beautiful dove, butterflies, little flowers, watering can, and a flower in a little pot. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't forget, you can color these in using your alcohol markers. You can put some embossing powder and heat that up and get a finish on them, or you can just use your glaze on them, and that'll give them a nice shine. Next, we get a couple of little envelopes, and you can actually pop a little sentiment inside. The envelopes open. So there's 3 of those cute little envelopes. We get some tags. We get 2 nice size tags with some twine on, and we also get 2 larger tags with some twine on. So these are lovely. So altogether we get 4 tags. We get some little doilies as well. We get a round doily and a heart doily, so you can build up on those. And then finally we get some dies, and these dies are really cool. We get a large shape basket die, and it cuts out all these intricate little flowers, etc. This flower here, it cuts it up, but the petals will stand up, they don't come out. But a really beautiful die. And then we get some little dies inside. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 of these dies have 2 dies in them. So rather than lose your little dinky dies, Lizi has popped these together. So it'll be harder for you to lose. Yeah, still losable, if that's even a word, but she's tried to help with that. So these little flowers all can go on the flowers that are on the larger die. The same with the leaves. So you can build up your Easter basket using the extra little dies that come in this. So now that is all the products that comes this month in the Love from Lizi April 2024 Spring Wishes kit. And I think you'll agree, for the money that we pay for a kit, I'm so lucky. I'm a designer, so I get this free. I was paying for this kit originally because I loved it and I felt you got so much in the kit, but I think for the amount you get, it's definitely worth the money. It's definitely good value. So now that is all the kit. There are lots of add-ons available from the Love from Lizi website. Lizi does a fantastic range of crafty products as well as peel-offs, and she sent me some extras for me to use in my crafting, and I think you'll agree there's just a fantastic range. I love using peel-offs in my card making, etc., and I like to add them onto my envelopes to make sure they don't come off. I'll add a little line of glue, put my peel-off on top, and that way then I know it's stuck on the envelope real good. But I love embellishing an envelope, and I mightn't show that a lot on my channel, but I do. I do embellish envelopes. So yeah, so don't forget to check out Lizi's website. Have a look at the peel-offs range. There is a fantastic range of peel-offs that Lizi does. Have a look at the kits. Lizi is moving. Big news, Lizi is moving to Canada. If you're a subscriber, your kits, there's nothing, there's no changes for you, but for new subscribers there will be costs, you know, for shipping, etc. So I'm going to leave a link down below so you can check out where you live, what the cost of the kit is going to be, and all the arrangements, how it's done, etc. I'm going to leave links as well to the design team members. We have Kristie Marcotte, Ella from Ella Art and Craft. They're the two main designers with myself. We have beautiful Jane. She's a guest designer and her YouTube channel is Reflections by Jane. And we've got some new designers coming online. I think it's this month. So have a look down below in the description. There'll be links down there to the designers, and if the new designers aren't linked down there, I will be putting them on once I know exactly who they are, because I still don't know who they are yet. Yeah, so that's it. Lizi has had a massive sale, a clear out of stock in preparation for the move going on. Hopefully that's still running, but as I said, there's links to the website down below, so do click on those. All right, I'm going to leave it there, folks. I hope if you're getting this kit, you're looking forward to it, and you'll be inspired by the design team members who will be bringing you fantastic makes using this kit really soon. So make sure you keep an eye out, and do keep an eye out on my channel. Click the like button if you've enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and ding the bell so you'll be notified next time that I post a video. And this really helps my channel to grow, and it costs you nothing to become a subscriber. So that's it for now, folks. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon with some cards using this fantastic collection. Bye for now.